If you want to make Google Chrome your default browser on your iPhone, it's very simple to do and it only takes one step. So don't worry about going into the actual browser app, you just have to go into the settings. So what we're going to do is go to our settings, and from here, scroll to the bottom where it says apps, and just go ahead and type in Chrome rather than scrolling through and all that stuff. Just make it easy on yourself. And you want to go to where it says default browser app. So as you see, mine says Safari, so we can just change it to Chrome. Now, we can go back out of here, and we're going to type in Safari. And on the Safari settings, even here it says default browser app, and it's set to Chrome. So it will automatically change. So if I were to say to change this to Safari, it would change in the Chrome app to Safari. So you don't have to worry about changing it in both apps. It will immediately change in the other app. So it's very simple to do and straightforward to change your default browser to Chrome. So from this point forward, all of your links and stuff like that will use Chrome instead of Safari. And that's it.